Alright guys, here for my first flight with the DJI Mini 2. I'm really looking forward to this. A pretty open space here, this park here. It's really huge. So no real obstacles anywhere nearby. So I should be pretty safe. Everything's checked out. I checked out the weather. I checked out the clearance for the airspace. We're in Class G airspace. Everything's set to go. I've got my trust exam done, so I'm a certified recreational drone pilot, and now we're going to get to it. So let's get to it. All right, so let's take off here. Let's see, we're going to click that here, hold that.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please
right.
Check it on the map.
There it is, the Mini 2. Check that out. It's just amazing how stable that is. Look at that. That is awesome. For such a little tiny drone. Pretty cool. Anyway, let's get to it. So we got the home point updated, and we're just gonna take off here. Let me turn the camera on here so we can film while we're flying. Now I'm filming in .4K. My GoPro, it's a GoPro Hero 7 Black. Doesn't really, it doesn't have a linear camera angle for 4K, unfortunately, so I've got to film in 14:4, so that should be good enough though. There it is. Check that out. Pretty awesome. Just checking out the maneuvering. So there's, now this is in normal mode right now. Very slow when it turns around. Bring it back to me here. Pretty cool. I'm gonna sit down and fly this around for a little while. We're gonna go up in the air now. We're gonna go to, let's see, where are we? That's about 40 feet. Wow, it handles awesome. It's a little breezy today. Variable winds. Here, just bring it back to me here. Starting to get the hang of flying this thing. Like I said, I've flown some little drones. Look at that, pretty cool. So tiny. There it goes. Wow, it's wailing. That's pretty cool. Wow, look at that. Now I can only go up to 400 feet. Have to stay below 400 feet, but that's pretty amazing right there. Wow. Look at that. 300 feet. Wow. That's awesome. Now let's go up, let's take her up to 300 and we'll go to 375. It is up there. There it is. I'm sure you guys can't see it, but I can. Wow. All right, let's bring her down. A little bit nervous flying for the first time. kind of speechless, guys. Very cool. It's very cool. Very, very cool. Also has, let's just check out the zoom. This is the zoom. That's pretty cool. And surprisingly, even though it's small, I can see it. Like I said, it is a little breezy today, and this thing, it handles the breeze, the wind like a champ. I mean, what are we doing here? We're doing 15 miles an hour there. That's into the wind. One of the coolest experiences, that's for sure. I'm very, very pleased with this. It's awesome. But I'm definitely looking forward to some more flights soon. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you like what you saw. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would tell you, I would highly recommend the DJI Mini 2, that's for sure. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Landing.